This is a video of the commercial 2950. It's been fixed many times, and again, it's starting to exhibit a problem. This time I have it going at speed and the belt is going. You can see the control board, and then what happens is as I go, I get on, I start running on the tread, and the tread will slow down. The tread slowed down to a stop. It should still be running. And the control board is now in this status. The tread is no longer going. However, according to the program, it should be going at 10 miles per hour.